Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So, at first open your Play Store, now click on your account icon and select My Apps and Games. Here you've got updates, so just click on Series and Updates. Let's go to Overview. And now, let me just cancel all. And now you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. So, however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.